Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again. I haven't posted in a while because I've been busy with stuff really. Varsity, work and traveling. So I'm back 2018. This is the first video of 2018. Hopefully growing the channel a bit more. And this is more a how-to video, just to jump into it. In the States, the guys actually don't know what a pootjie is, so this is pretty much a how-to video for my American friends, Nick and Taya. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And this is just a nice fun video to make with my buddy Ewoud and I. We went through to Welkom to go visit his parents, and his dad showed us how it's done.
So Neil, what are we doing? Are we making a pootjie?
Yeah, we're gonna fix this pootjie and we're gonna put some chicken in it.
All the rumblings that you guys hear in the background is actually a thunderstorm. That is why the pootjie is being made in a wheelbarrow. So just ignore the thunderous sounds.
We're gonna put it in there. We're gonna start our fire first.
Build a fire.
And then we'll bring this in and we'll put all the ingredients in here.
What pootjie are we making today?
Chicken pootjie.
Chicken pootjie. Okay boys, so what are we doing now for this pootjie?
We're about to make a little fire.
Little fire. Neil, so we're gonna get some fire lighters, some wood there, some fine sticks.
Yeah, and then we'll be using
gonna use
some
the
charcoal.
paper? Or charcoal.
Yeah, charcoal, and
Yeah.
I'll get some blitz.
Using charcoal is you just put in a little block underneath every now and then,
Under the pot, you don't need
so you
that.
don't.
Yeah.
You can. The source of fire that you use, charcoal or wood, all the same. It just-
Yo, look at that little fire. Look.
Chicken's in the pot.
Okay, so
And
it's just chicken, that's it.
No, some butter,
Okay.
margarine, and some oil.
Okay.
Some olive oil, and then we'll sort of start cooking that, and then we'll add all the vegetables
And the
later.
veggies and stuff. And then how long will this pootjie take more or less?
3/4 of an hour, 45 minutes.
45 minutes. Okay, so it's a quick way.
Yes,
Heat,
yes.
medium heat, low heat, high heat.
Very medium heat
Okay.
to slow heat, because you want it actually to simmer.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to put in some bacon as well. This is
Okay, you've been instructed by the missus
Yes.
that you must
To
put some
work
bacon
that
in
in.
there.
And we must now get some charcoal going here as well,
Okay, charcoal.
at the bottom. Sort of
So it's
minced.
a bit of a like minced fat.
Yes,
High
minced
fat
bacon.
content type bacon, okay.
That's just to give some more.
Like the oil in the pot almost.
Yes, not really, just to give it some flavour. That's the big thing.
And as those coals
We
get
just
now
need
red,
to-
we move them in under the...
Yes, and what we want to do is we just want to get the pot going, and once it's going, then we'll simmer. We'll just simmer. So we'll leave it open first,
Okay.
just so that everything warms up and everything is going and cooking and so on. And then we'll start reducing the coals and the heat.
Okay. So you can stir the meat, but you don't stir the
Yes.
vegetables.
No, you just stir the meat, you sort of, get it going and brown it a bit with the margarine and the olive oil. I'm just going to brown it a bit.
What we normally use is white onion soup. But
White onion soup?
Yes, but I couldn't find white onion soup, so I'm using this one.
Okay, so how much of that
Instead.
goes in there?
1 packet.
One packet is how much, roughly?
Oh.
It's 50 grams.
50 grams,
Yeah.
yes. Then I normally take less cream, the smaller one, but there's a lot of meat in.
Okay.
So I'm taking more
Okay.
cream now.
So this is what you throw into the pot with the vegetables.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay. So we put this in.
And that is how many milliliters? 500.
500, but normally 250 if it's only say 4 people,
Okay.
then it's 250 is enough.
Okay.
Then I also put in some wine, a cup of wine.
Was that like a rosé or
Any wine that you prefer,
Okay.
doesn't matter.
Okay.
The rest I can't tell you.
Now what is that? Well, that's
This
a bit of
is Tabasco
a
sauce.
bit of Tabasco. So
Yeah.
2-3 druppeltjies.
No, more than that.
Okay, so that's like 1/3 of the bottle. No, just
Just-
a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit because it's really
A
hard.
tablespoon.
Yeah.
Let's say a
yeah.
tablespoon. Okay.
Then I put in some oregano. It's a
Okay.
spice.
Okay.
Also, I just
Gooi.
say 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
Oregano. Because this is a bigger pot. Normally 1
Okay.
teaspoon will be sufficient. Also, some
Like a Worcester sauce.
Worcester sauce. Say,
The single top glass.
yeah.
Or half
yeah,
a single top glass.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Aromat.
aromat.
Or any sort of a spice or a
Yeah.
barbecue spice.
Yeah.
'Cause I don't know if they have aromat there in the
Yeah.
States.
So you just this is take the place of salt.
Okay.
You can put in salt and pepper, whatever you prefer.
Okay.
Then a sauce of your choice, because the
And what sauce is that?
this is sweet chili.
Like a sweet chili dressing. Okay.
Yeah. And then I also put some
Like a sweet chili sauce. or-
yeah, just to make it more
Okay.
tasty.
Okay.
Because the secret is that you must have enough liquid for the pot.
For the pot. Okay.
Yeah.
And how much liquid is this in total of
This is 2 liters.
2 liters of liquid that we're going to
Yeah,
put in a number
yeah.
2 pot?
I
And that's
know.
some mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can actually put in whatever you
Like,
Like.
as long as it's more or less 2 liters of.
yeah.
Okay, like
If-
beef stock, you can put in beef stock,
You can put in beef stock if you want to.
chicken stock.
Yeah, anything you like. For if it's a smaller pot,
Okay.
like
A number 2 or number 3.
you know, it's if it's not. Let's say if it's about 6 people,
Okay.
then I will put in less
Okay.
of this sauce, and I think that's it.
And then you just pour the sauce over that?
Yeah,
And then you leave it in the pot for like 40 minutes, 45 minutes.
45 minutes to an hour. This one will go an hour because it's a lot of meat.
Okay, cool. Well, let's check it out.
No, it's fine.
You're just stirring it a bit to get it a bit brown.
Yes, just to turn it around a bit so that it doesn't burn. I think I'm actually.
So now we're packing the pot. Now we don't stir it from now on.
Yep.
The light is a little bad. So what, we're adding the potatoes first?
Yes.
So we pack the potatoes
Yeah.
on top.
Potatoes, and then we'll go for the
The
veggies.
mixed veggies.
Let's see. Oh, there we are.
Okay. Here we go. Boom. Alright, so we stir it. And then we just pour him in there.
Yep.
Neil, so this has now been cooking roughly about 20-25 minutes
Yes,
already.
just to sort of, yeah, do the chicken first.
Chicken first.
brown the chicken, and now
Now from the time we put the sauce in, it's about another 25, 30, yeah? Or 40
yeah,
minutes.
that will be quarter of an hour to an hour. It depends on the
Okay.
mount. So
So the total time is roughly an hour and a half.
yes,
And then we just
There
keep on
we are.
building the little fire on the side, yeah?
yes, and put in coals. What we'll do, we'll just pick up the heat
Okay.
until we hear it sort of boiling up, and then
Simmering.
yeah, and then we'll just let the coals go down and not add too much heat.
Okay, now we just put the lid on
Lid
and we
on.
leave it.
Yep.
And there you go.
There we are.
40 minutes to go.
That's not a cast iron pot. That is a
Aluminium. Yeah.
aluminium one. Yeah. Makes it much easier.
See,
You can. There
there we go.
See, it stopped simmering as well.
No, it's ready
Add
to
coals.
be munched.
All right. Did you switch off the fountain?
Now we're
Yeah,
mixing.
this is good. Chicken's coming. And the thing is, if you have this aluminium pot, doesn't burn like your black pot.
Yeah,
that
like the
cast
pot I
iron,
have, yeah.
problem distributing the heat. Where
Okay.
this one distributes the heat much quicker. Yeah, that's much lighter as well.
Very like. Where are you dishing up there? You got some rice?
Not boil an egg, but cook an egg or
piece of
whatever
chicken
on,
there.
Piece of chicken in
on
there.
the bonnet. If you've got a car, you can put that
let's
egg
get
on there.
some-
and you can
How could
actually
it get
bake
so
it.
hot? Oh, yeah,
veggies.
Or what do you do with the egg? Fry an egg. Fry,
Yeah.
not bake an egg. Fry an egg.
Some veggies.
Ooh, here we go, proper.
There you go. Hope I got some bacon.
Yo, we got too much sauce here. I should have opened it a bit. Yeah.
No, still good.
But it's lacquer.
Soggy, so they're perfect. Because they're still crispy within sauce. So
Neil,
Yes,
job well done, eh, with the pootjie.
of course yes. Check my plate.
It's a little bit watery though, but no, I'm joking.
Don't,
I'm joking.
don't. No, you can say that.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. More coming. Ciao.